Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of promotions on the application of DoorDash. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about DoorDash and you'll enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.